second edition of PSL 2007. How was your experience with the Lahore Collective and how you are with the Karachi Kings? How you are looking for the PSL 2017?
Yeah, I mean the first PSL, it wasn't a great experience from a personal point of view. When it comes on to the owners, the calendars, they've been fantastic. I enjoyed, they make me feel at home. But due to circumstances now, I'm with a new franchise and I'm actually looking forward to it. And it should be exciting when you can see the buzz already for the second edition of PSL. And new players have actually added their name to the draft as well. So it's something really good, and that's a step well. I'm sure the organizers need to take further when it comes on to PSL 3 as well. So see what happens next year. I'm excited to be here and looking forward to it and make this tournament a big one and try my best to make it as much as big as possible. Entertain you guys as much as possible as well, and be positive and just go there and execute.
Chris, as per Mr. Chairman, the final of PSL is going to happen in Lahore. Any special message for Lahore fans? And you have a lot of fans in Lahore and Pakistan. Yeah. Any special message for Lahore here?
Yeah, I mean, I'm sure that the buzz is already there. I think tickets should be already sold out without the tickets being printed as yet. But it's something I've hit Pakistan hard, and they're missing international cricket, and due to circumstances there. And to be able to get the PSL final, that's something good for you guys, and you will be entertained up and live. So I'm sorry you don't have a bigger stadium to hold so many people there, but to the fans it's been fantastic, and they still stick to the cricket and support us right throughout, support their own cricket, Pakistan cricket as well, and I'm very thankful for that, and I'll just keep entertaining you guys as much as possible and keep watching us, keep entertaining you guys.
Chris, last question. Are you ready and happy to play in Lahore?
Yeah, but it's not for the calendars this year. Next year it's going to be for the Kings.
Okay, thank you, Chris.
All right, last two, only last.